Hello guys, meet Chaifighter 20 billion version 2. Just a fun fact about me, I cannot live or function without chai or tea as you might call it. So that is why when I stumbled upon this model Chaifighter, I had to review this. So in this video, we are going to install it locally and then we are going to play around with it to see how it works. The mark of fame for this model is that it is very much suitable for long form role play, and that is what I'm going to do with it. So if you're looking to write long verbose stories with lot of sauce and also lot of how should I put it, glamour, then go with Chai Fighter 20 billion. Chai Fighter 20 billion is a Mistral 20 billion Frankenmerch model. It is quite boastful of creativity, coherence, and cognitive thinking, and this model is a great pick for those awkwardly stuck between 13 billion and 34 billion. Also, this model is quite recent and it has been trained on a much recent corpus of data, or should I say fine-tuned one, and there are a lot of great models which have been used to merge it. Chai Fighter 20 billion is geared towards long form role-play chats rather than short form RP chats. It loves verbosity and detail, and its quality will depend on how much ammunition you can give it. While it's sorta kinda can do short form with some swiping, it isn't really ideal for short form. So if you're looking for essay writing powerhouses that love typing up a storm in the character card, this one is for you. So if you are looking to write a long essay, long stories, go for it. The context size of this model is just 4K, so it should be good enough. Now, when it comes to merging or Franken merger, so it consists of Mythomist 7 billion, Lemonade RP, Kunichi 7 billion, and Fimbulverter 11 billion version 2. I already have covered all these four models, so just search them on the channel and you should be good to go. And this is our Chai Fighter, so it looks really cool. Now, before I show you the installation and we go and play with this model, let me give a huge shout out to our good friends at Mass Compute who are sponsoring the VM and the GPU for this video. If you are looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I am going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs, so do check them out. Okay, let's go and run our favorite tool, which is LM Studio. Let me run it from my here. It is going to launch it. You can use it on Windows, so but I'm going to go with Linux Ubuntu. I'm just going to make the screen bigger and I'm going to remove my previous model and let me clear the screen. So here I have just put in Chai Fighter and then press enter and you will see many people have done the quantization of it, and you see that there is also one of the recent one and I already have downloaded it just to save time, as you can see here. So let's click on these three dots and select the model to load. Let's wait for it to finish. And that is done. Let's also select the preset on the right hand side. Well, it's a Mistral one, so I'm just going to go with Mistral instruct here. And then let me offload all the layers to GPU to make sure the response is good. Let's reload the model 2. Shouldn't take too long. And that is done. Let me paste a prompt here, which I'm going to go with the long form role play. So you see, what I have done here is that I am just giving it a title that Welcome to Love in the Harbor City. And then I'm telling the model that you are a young professional living in Sydney, a vibrant city surrounded by iconic landmarks, stunning beaches, and a thriving cultural scene. Your life is filled with work, friends, and hobbies, but something is missing: love. Your heart longs for someone to share with your adventures and passion with. And then I'm defining the character. That name is Mia Taylor, age 28, marketing managers, their skills, equipment, and then I'm describing the Sydney city, what is famous around there. The goal is find love and connection in the city while pursuing your career and passion and start your journey. The journey starts with as you are sipping a coffee at a trendy cafe in the Rocks, which is in the Sydney city or downtown Sydney, enjoying the views of the Harbour Bridge. Suddenly, a handsome stranger accidentally spills coffee on your shirt, apologizing profusely and offering to buy you a new drink. Your heart skips a beat as you feel an instant connection. What do you do? So let me press enter here. You see, the model has immediately assumed the role, and these are the beauties of these Frankenmergen role play models. So let's wait for it to finish printing the response. It is already done. So you see, model is saying that as I watch the handsome stranger awkwardly apologize for accidentally splashing coffee onto my shirt. You see the wordplay, and then it is saying, I try to suppress a smile, feeling a flutter in my stomach. Oh my goodness. My character Mia instinctively tries not to let her excitement too obvious. And then they started talking, and then there's a camera, and then you see, I turn my head slightly to glance at his camera hanging around his neck. That and then thank you for the offer, and then the conversation starts here as we engage further. I am careful not to reveal too much, you see. And then she starts looking over some photos on look over some photos on camera. Amazing, amazing stuff. And the city feels like it has just started to come alive once again. How good is that? And then of course you can carry the conversation forward. For example, let me paste it the next one. So I'm just carrying the conversation from where she finished that. As you know, it was just around camera looking at the photos. So I'm saying that as you review your photos, you can't help but steal glances at the handsome stranger now sitting across from you, engrossed in his camera, and then blah blah blah. And then your smile, your heart racing. Maybe I can't believe we met like this, Mia. It feels like fate. What do you do next? Let's see. There you go. With the sun setting behind the iconic landmarks of Sydney and the harbour glittering like gold in the light of setting sun, I can't deny the perfectness of this moment. Amazing. And then there is some. It says that how about we take your camera out tonight to capture the lights illuminating the city. We could have a night photography adventure around the Sydney Opera House or the harbour lights. But the stranger wants a quiet night in. There you go. So you got the idea. You can just take the discussion anywhere you like. So I'm not going to pursue it further. But amazing, amazing model, as you might have already guessed. So let me know what do you think about this model. Very impressed by it. I think one of the good models I have seen this week, and I already have seen quite a few by the way. So let me know what do you think. I will drop the link to this model card in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.